Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to select multiple elements in Canva so we can move, edit, or organize them all at once. This is a great way to save time and keep our design workflow efficient. On our Canva dashboard, to select multiple elements, all we have to do is highlight the elements we want to select. As we can see, if we highlight these two, they will be selected. And if we choose a different set, those will be selected instead. We can also select all the elements at once by simply dragging the mouse over everything we want to include. And that is how we can select our elements using the drag method. We can also select them by clicking each one individually. When we click them one by one, we can still move them around, making it easy to work with multiple elements at the same time. They are now selected as a group, and that is how we can select multiple elements in Canva quickly and easily.